Hello guys, good evening, good morning. Anytime when I come across this my video, wanna love and subscribe. And wanna touch the notification bell. Those of you wey don first subscribe, wanna love and wanna share this video. I love all of you. My name una know my name now. My name na be Rita. So na me dey talk about relationship. Na me dey hook people up. Those of you wey need hook up, wey need better wife, better husband, una contact my number. My number na +33 75 12 33 514. So na so my name na Rita. I love all of una. This place I wan talk about relationship today. For this place, e get one video one see when dey go viral for everywhere, from Facebook, for YouTube, when one woman kill im own husband. You understand? E touch me well well. Wetin go make you kill your husband? Why? Wetin go make you kill your boyfriend? Why? Wetin go make you kill your wife? Why? Wetin go make you kill your girlfriend? Why? If the relationship you no fit tolerate again, you give break to it. You give break to the relationship. Everybody go on your own way first. Stop the marriage. Instead you go kill your husband or kill your boyfriend because of why? You take human being, you take his soul, you kill human being when you no create come this world. Wetin man go do you wey go make you kill am? Because you see message for your phone, or maybe because the man he do you anyhow, you say I with woman shit on you. Wetin make am you go kill your husband? Wetin go make her kill your wife? If relationship una say na domestic violence, everyday problem, quarrel, the best thing I dey talk am for my video, if you no fit again, you stop the marriage. Or if una no wan divorce, everybody go first, get break, give break to it. Una think for 5 months or 6 months, una come back again for everywhere to cool down, so that may not lead to killing thing. You wey kill your husband, how you kill your husband? You no know say if dem put you for jail, you no go get freedom. Freedom matter. Before you go carry knife kill your husband, or draw a prick if you dey sleep anyhow, or put something for your food eat anyhow, when you take kill am, you go first think of your own self. Some people no value their self. Some people no value their self. They no like their freedom. Some people don't know wetin be prison. That's why they will keep person. If you know wetin be prison, you no try and keep person, even to insult person. Person insult you, you will pass am, you run leave am. How much more you kill person? You kill your own husband, you go jail for them. No freedom. You no fit dress the way you like, you no fit buy wetin you like, you no fit waka as you like. Person go dey draw you up and down, mostly for killing case. How you want to do am? Why you go let one man put you for bad condition? If you dey date one, you dey into relationship, the man dey misbehave, for you to think about your life, you have to leave the man first. Give the marriage a break first. You understand? So think of your own self. Some people even get children, they'll go kill their husband. You don't think of your wonderful children, your wonderful pikin. Some men go kill their wife. When your wife, when you dey climb, they make love with, they make you happy, wetin go make you kill am one day because say do one stupid thing? Let us give spirit of forgiveness. Very important. Forgiveness. And more learn to control our anger. I don fit talk am for my video. Before, if you dey vex, you know say you dey vex, well you go only you wan go make yourself cool down. You understand? Cool your temper down, so that when you for fit no do stupid thing. Make yourself be okay. Just say God control me, God control me. Just over dey look things, no dey take things up. The moment when you dey vex, no take action. When you dey vex, person do you but no take action, na dey lead to this killing. When women go kill their husband, men go kill their wife, because the thing, the way they just dey vex that moment, their mind go just dey boil like water when they put for fire. Dey boil that moment, they wan take action. When you dey vex that moment, if you take action, you will take the wrong action, you will regret it. Person wey kill person, later your eye go come open say, my own husband, I kill my husband. Your eye go come open, you go come regret. Na taboo, na disgrace to you, your family. Say you be killer, say their daughter na killer or their son na killer. You understand? To avoid all these things, number one, if you dey marriage or abusive relationship, if you know say you wan still continue, no problem, you go dey pray to God, make God touch your partner. Number two, you go learn how to control your temper. You no go dey take action automatic. You go get friend wey go dey put you through. Now you go take fit stay abusing relationship, or you give break to the relationship. Many people no wan give break. They'll say, they go laugh me, say, I no be married woman again, I don't break up. It better say they laugh you, say you break up, than say you kill your husband or kill your wife. Now disgrace. You understand? So people marriage, they won't just say that they married, they know they. It's a money to them, I cry, tears, food their pillow. When they tell they cry, they think the way they want to kill their wife or kill their husband. Why will you get that thought in your heart to kill your husband or your wife? Husband, when they put a banana put for your washing machine. Wife, when they give you a washing machine. Why you go get that thought? More forget about that one. More learn how to live life. Learn how to take things simple. Learn how to overlook things. Learn how to forgive, forget. If you can forgive and forget, you know they lead to this death something. Most women, when they kill their husband, they take action automatic. They not sabi forgive. They don't get forgiving spirit. You have to pray to God to give you forgiving spirit. You understand? And if man do you something bad, you understand? Tell the man, say, I don't like what you do me. They always talk with gentle hearts. Because when you talk, they are like, what you be, what you now you do me this one, you not be better man. The man go come still vex. Una two will come they talk different bad word to each other. No, if your husband offend you, call and talk to am well, make him enter head. You understand? Get friend when you sit there. See the way my husband do. Your best friend, that is woman when get experience when they marriages. Not go tell single mother or person when never even marry. You don't know what they call relationship. You understand? So learn how to talk to your partner. You understand? Communication matters a lot. Most women, when they know they talk. Now most of them they kill their husband. They too quiet. All wetin their husband will do, they will get down put for their head. If it too much, they'll come provoke kill the man. You understand? That's why woman when they talk better, we pass on they talk. And if you know say your wife, now the type when they quiet, try me you they ask calm question. Baby, what I do you when you not like? I beg if I offend you, tell me. That's why it still be if you get a quiet husband. Silent killer. Always the ask am question to you just feel make game with am. You understand? Write for paper. What make you to provoke? What you don't like? You understand? What do you like about me? What you don't want me to do? You understand? You write and put for paper. You fold down like this now. Like this paper now. May I make example for now. Mona see am. Very important. If you get man, we know they feel they express a feeling. You get woman, you know they feel they express her feeling. See am. You write for them. What do you like? You understand? What make you happy? My character, do you love it? You write am like this. You fold down. It go be like game. Una dey play, you write them like this, put for pieces of paper, fold am, you put am for ground, you see darling come, sweetheart come. If you dey call am by pikin, so na you know how you take dey call your wife or your husband. Then you write wetin you wan just find wetin dey your husband mouth or your wife mouth. Ask am say wetin you know say I dey do when you no like. Write am put for paper. Then him go dey open am, go tell you. It's very, very important. What do you love about me? What do you don't love about me? Very important, because no be all women fit dey talk. Many men dey come abuse am, and no be many men dey fit dey talk. Many women come abuse am. Abeg, if you dey relationship, make we learn how to respect each other. Respect better well, because most thing wetin dey bring most killing for relationship, maybe the man no dey respect the woman, or the woman no dey respect the man. You understand? One go come dey feel say him be stranger for inside. One go come dey feel say him be slave for inside, say you dey overuse am. You understand? My sister, my brother, when dey feel say your husband or your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your husband or anything dey use you, na lie. You understand? If you dey in relationship, no think that one. No dey think say your husband dey use you like slave or your wife dey use you like slave. Just look your husband, your wife like say na you yourself. Take am the way you take your children, the way you take yourself, the way you dey take your mother and your father. You understand? So just always forgive your husband, please. Always forgive your wife, so that when this killing of a thing no dey evolve for relationship, for marriage. I love all of una. Na here I for drop the video. I no wan make the video long too much. Abeg, nothing wey man go do you wey go make you kill man. Nothing wey woman go do you wey go make you kill woman. Please be warned, be wise. Freedom is important. No go keep person make dem put you for jail when you no get your freedom. You go dey cry, I don't know. Don't go to that level. Please, always pray as a couple. France say couple, English say couple. Always pray together. I love you. Bye for now. Subscribe and share my video. Ciao, ciao.